Happy morning, children. From today, we are starting with the new topic equations. Now, the heading from your 8th standard textbooks is equation in one variable. But I would like to explain you the concepts which have been already given in class 6th standard. What is the meaning of equations? So, here a very interesting and a simple example is given. The teacher says, see the first line, find two numbers and a mathematical operation to get the answer 15. So, can you tell me any two numbers? When you add them, multiply them, subtract them, divide them, you should get the answer 15. So here the example is given 5 into 3 is 15, right? And 45 divided by 3 is also 15. 17 minus 2 also gives you 15. Then the teacher says, very good, because students are giving answer. We see that the operations 5 into 3 and 7 minus 2 both give the same result. Means here we are doing multiplication and we are getting 15. Here we are doing subtraction and we are getting 15. We write this as 5 into 3, that is 15, is equal to 17 minus 2. In mathematics, the sign of equality, now here the sign equality is there, shows that the numbers on both the sides are equal. Here 5 into 3 is 15. So left hand side you are getting 15 and 17 minus 2 is 15. So left hand side and right hand side you are having on both the sides same numbers. They may be the result of different operations. Now here there is multiplication. Here there is subtraction. Operations, different operations you are using, but the number which you are getting after doing the calculation, 5 3s are 15, 17 minus 2, 15. The number which you are getting on the left hand side and the right hand side, both are equal. Such an expression of equality is called an equation. And it is not necessary this example you can take any other example. We can take 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. That also you can take. Then you can take 45 divided by 3 is also 15. And you can equate and take one, write it as an example. So the concept of equation you should know. What is an equation? It is an equality having two sides, left hand sides and right hand side. And whenever you are solving an equation, your left hand side and the right hand side will be equal. The particular number, if you will be getting it after solving it to the left and to the right, it is same. And that number which you are getting is very, very important, because solving an equation is nothing but you are understanding the main concept that what is an equation first. If the concept of equation is understood, then it's very easy for you. Now, best example of an equation. See, in maths example of an equation, what you can give here. If there are equal weights in both the pans of a weighing scale, left hand side and right hand side, there are two pans, right? So if you are having on both the pans equal weights, then the scale is balanced. Such a balanced scale is also like an equation. So the best example of an equation is the balance, but the weights should be same. And in our everyday life, if you see, if you go to a shop to buy, say for example, 1 kg sugar, then what that shopkeeper will do, in one pan he will keep weight, 1 kg weight he is going to keep, and on the other he will keep 1 kg sugar. If it is will be more and less, he will adjust, and in one pan there will be 1 kg sugar. So the weights in both the pans, they are equal. So that is the best example, that in our everyday life, for buying everything in the shop, we are using the concept of equations, that things should be balanced. And if they are not balanced, then only there is problem in our life. So very important to understand the meaning of equations, that we need to be balanced in everything. The simplest meaning of equation is equality.